Dogecoin just made history with its first ever US-listed ETF. But can Doge hit 50 cents in 2025? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in crypto, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So here's the big news. On September 18th, the very first Dogecoin ETF officially launched on the CBOE BZX exchange under the ticker DOJE. Issued by Rex Shares in partnership with Osprey Funds, this product gives institutions and retail investors direct exposure to Doge through standard brokerage accounts. No need to touch Coinbase or Binance. What's more, Dogecoin and XRP just became the first altcoins beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum to win US spot ETF approval. The trick? Instead of filing under the 1933 Securities Act like most applicants, Rex Osprey structured the fund under the 1940 Investment Company Act, which regulators favor. That allowed them to move faster than giants like BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and Bitwise, who are still waiting on approvals for Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot. At launch, Doge spiked over plus 7% to around 29 cents, before cooling to 28 cents at the time of recording. Price action shows Doge bouncing off support at 26 cents, now testing resistance at $0.288 with eyes on another run at the key 30 cents level. Technically, Doge sits in a strong ascending channel supported by the 20 DMA at 24 cents, though RSI at 66 suggests cautious momentum. But here's the bigger picture. Doge now has legitimacy in regulated markets. Portfolio managers can add exposure without custody risks, opening the door to institutional inflows. The challenge? At a $41 billion market cap, it takes massive capital to move Doge like it did in 2021. And that's why some traders are turning their heads toward Maxi Doge, Maxi. Unlike Doge, Maxi is still in pre-sale, priced at just $0.00025575 with a tiny valuation and much higher upside potential. The project has already raised $2.25 million, has a cult-like community, and is pledging nearly 40% of its treasury to marketing. Early holders can also stake with dynamic APYs above 150%. Analysts are projecting up to 12.8x gains post-launch, and the pre-sale window is closing fast, with the next price increase less than 48 hours away. If Doge is the institutional ETF play, Maxi could be the 100x moonshot that meme coin believers are waiting for. Link is in the description. Looking ahead, Doge's path to 50 cents in 2025 will depend on whether ETFs attract sustained inflows, or if capital chases leaner meme coins with more room to grow. What do you think? Will Doge break 50 cents next year, or will Maxi steal the spotlight? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. And if you're serious about crypto in 2025, you need a secure, flexible, and feature-packed wallet. Best Wallet is our top choice. Non-custodial, no KYC, and built for both pre-sale hunters and long-term holders. Check it out in the description.